so happy with it. I love it. Dude, I love the rims. Oh, the tail light. I'm so happy. I don't even know what to say. Turned out better than I thought. A lot better. Appreciate it.
What do you want to say?
Appreciate it. I love it. It looks so good. They did it so quick. Everything I asked for, so they worked it out, sorted it out. They worked good. Appreciate it.
Shout out to everyone out there, man, and all the female 4x4 drivers out there. You see her, man, give her a holler, man. Raquel, she's the baddest Navara. Hey, what are we gonna name this?